I know how Harley guys are, and I suspect that when they did that, because they didn't talk about, I mean, I was around in 09, but they didn't talk about it very much. And I kind of suspect that their idea was that, and same thing with the automobiles, they didn't talk about throttle-by-wire very much, because I think it's kind of scary. People are like, whoa, whoa, hold up. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a 2009 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic with a 96 cubic inch. I don't know what they call that color, royal blue. It's beautiful, beautiful bike. Screaming new Screaming Eagle pipes. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to take it for a spin. But first, let's do the words of wisdom. Where we at? Corinthians 15:58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, knowing that your toil is not in vain in the Lord. Amen. Amen. This is actually a local owned bike. The guy who had this, super nice guy. He took very, very, very good care of this bike. And now someone else is going to get it, and they're also going to love it. You guys know I love the Road King, right? You guys know that. He's a little too close. These highway pegs a little too close for me. I'd flip them around and send them out here. But that ain't bad. This Road King has cruise control on it. Not all of them do. Although maybe all the classics do. I don't know, I keep on going back and forth through phases. I'm like, do I like the classic or do I like the regular? Never a big fan of the custom, but there's been a couple customs that I really like, so I go back and forth. So unlike my Road King, this bike has the 96 cubic inch. It also, because it's an 09, is equipped with the 6-speed transmission. It's also, which was an 09 thing, the wider rear tire and the throttle-by-wire throttle. Now, I wasn't actually around when they released that and they started pushing that, so I don't know this for a fact, but I know how Harley guys are. And I suspect that when they did that, because they didn't talk about, I mean, I was around in 09, but they didn't talk about it very much. And I kind of suspect that their idea was that, and same thing with the automobiles, they didn't talk about throttle-by-wire very much, because I think it's kind of scary. People are like, whoa, whoa, hold up. You telling me that there's no direct connection between my foot? There's no mechanical connection to my foot and the gas pedal? That's kind of scary. But the thing is, like, every car out there has it. They don't use cables for throttle anymore. We've been using it for like a decade, and we've had no problems with it. Even when Harley started doing it, like Ford, it's been a Ford since like the early 2000s, maybe even earlier. So it's a great system, but I feel like they had to kind of sneak it in there and not really make a big fuss about it, because it is kind of scary thinking about it. But in reality, there's no issues with it. Like, there's none. I've never heard any issue like I was driving my throttle-by-wire and then just started accelerating without me, you know, or some guy hacked my bike. It's not that type of system. You know, it is a closed system. I think that guy just stopped over at the shop. I'm not gonna wait in line. I don't got time for this. You guys don't have time for this. That 96 feels very, very strong. They're great motors. They did make more power, considerably more power than the 88s. They were smoother than the 88s. There's not really much downside to them. the worst possible route. To guarantee that I get I wait the longest time in traffic. You guys don't want to see me wait in traffic. You want to see me riding bikes. Guys, so this bike road's good. I love these Harley Davidson grips. Feels nice and tight. Let's see what the front brakes feel like. Front brakes feel good. There's no pulsating. It's shifting nice and smooth. I love the paint scheme on it. Guys, I want to hear from you viewers. What do you guys think about this paint color? Is it your favorite? Do you hate it? I gotta admit, it's gotta be close to one of my favorites. Mine is a different shade of blue. It's more of like a navy blue. It's more like a royal blue. I like this so much better. I would consider painting mine this color, because this is sweet looking. So guys, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Sean. I'm from Srkcycles, and I am the owner of a dealership of the same name. Not Sean, but of Srkcycles. We sell and ship bikes all over the country. We sell hundreds of bikes a year. We love what we do. And wherever you're at in the United States, you can buy a bike from us. How we make that so easy and fun is that, one, we do a test drive video just like this, so you guys can see, oh, okay, the bike runs good. He's not hiding anything. And then on top of that, we do another video. We do a very detailed walk-around video showing you any little imperfections in the bike. Our job with that video is to find flaws for you, so that you can buy with confidence. Guys, anytime you brake like kind of heavy, like what I just did right there, you always wonder, there's two things you gotta do. Well, there's multiple things you gotta do. But one thing, you always look behind you. Make sure you can brake, because it's very possible that the guy behind you, one, he's not ready for it, but two, he might not be able to brake as fast as you can. That's why just get in the habit. When you do heavy braking, you're looking in that back view mirror. When I first started riding, I took my mirrors off my bike because I thought it'd be better to just get used to looking behind you. You know, turn your head, not trusting in the mirror. It's kind of a bad idea. You need to do both. Look behind you when you can, like turning into a highway or something like that. But in situations where you're doing heavy braking and you need to be looking forward, you be looking forward. Trust me on that one. Guys, as always, check in the description below to see more extra information, links to the website, so you can see our current inventory and see how cheap our bikes actually are. The killer prices. I don't know who Jess King is, but I guess they're running for Congress, maybe? This is not an endorsement for Jess King. I have no idea who they are. Actually, just to be safe, don't vote for Jess King. Just don't. I don't know who they are. Do your own research. I'm lost. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.